Hi, this is a quick unboxing video of Apple Watch 45mm Series 9. This is how the box look like. It's a white box, and on the back I think it has the details. It says Apple Watch 45mm, and then this is in Pacific blue with magnetic links. Let's go ahead and open the watch box. If you see, there's on the back there are these two opening, you can say, cardboard, so you push it up, and this is how it opens. Let me put it on the floor. Okay, so this is the watch box. Let's take these off as well. Okay, so there's one on the other side as well. Let me take that one off. Okay, let's put it down. Let's see. Remove this one on the side as well. Okay, do a close up here. Okay, so it looks like this is the Apple Watch. It's in a case. Let me put it on the side and let's see what else is there. Okay, so this looks like a charging cable. Let me open it. Yeah, so I think this is the charging cable. This is also USB-C type charger now is coming up with. Let me take this one out. Okay, let's put this on the side. Yeah, so this one is USB-C charging cable now. This is similar to what we used to get before in Series 8 or Series 7, right? What else? Let me put it on the side. Let's see what is in here. I think this is like some paper stuff here. Okay, let's put this one here. Let's see what is also in the box. So yeah, so this is the band. This is a magnetic link. Let me do a close-up. Now this is also 45mm. Let's see how it opens. Okay, so there's something here on the side to open it. So let me take this one off. Okay, so this opens it like this. Take this one out. Let's put it on the side. And then, okay, so this is how it looks. The magnetic links. This is, I think, in the midnight blue color. Let me do a close-up. Yeah, so this is 45mm. It's written on it. Let's take these ones out. Okay. Let's put the cover on the side and the papers on the side. And then let me do a close-up on these magnetic links. Yeah, this is a medium large size. Yeah, pretty soft. And then yeah, this one is like it says 45 millimeter. Let me look, turn it the other way. Yeah, it says 45 millimeter. Okay, let's get the watch out and attach these bands. Okay, let's see. Okay, so let me attach it here. Okay, so this one is attached. And then let's do the other one as well. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, so this is the Apple Watch Series 9 in 45 millimeter. This is an aluminum ceramic case. Right, let me do a close up here. Yeah. And then with the magnetic links band. Let's compare this to an older Apple Watch. So the other Apple Watch, I think this is also 45 millimeter. This is also an aluminum case. This may be Series 7. Yeah, let me do a close up. Yeah, this is Apple Watch Series 7, 45 millimeter. And then next to it is the Apple Watch Series 9, 45 millimeter with midnight blue magnetic link band. Okay, so I think this is a quick unboxing of Apple Watch Series 9. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for future videos. Once again, thank you so much for your time.